Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County in central Iowa, Madison County in south central Iowa, northern Clark County in south central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, Warren County in south central Iowa, until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Earlham to 10 miles south of Winterset to 7 miles northeast of Sun Valley Lake, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Indianola, Altoona, Waukee, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Winterset, Osceola, Windsor Heights, Carlisle, Bondurant, Silorville, Mitchellville, and Van Meter. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 36 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 99. Interstate 80 between mile markers 113 and 148. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Dallas, Madison, Polk, and Warren.